Ase Omoyega Bwokobekera Egutwa Abagambi nabo abakonyi babo nigo Goikerana Ase lero ase omoraibwense Dr. William Ruto nabo omwaziri bw'oburendi bw'eme egati y'abaraibande baba Goikerana Ase ensemo ya emakasi elinde koikerania Omoyega oyo okwana korasi ensemo ekyo nigo banekimuna eyo n'enchere yamo yokoleta abananchi ange nabo ne serikali chinga kyecho boigo nigo benekibuna nigo burendi burachi ko Babo gutingirwa ase ense ya Kenya ekero abagambi barabe bakuiranirira obokoreri bwabo mulikito Julia Obuba na mange
Ase Omoyega Bwokobekera Egutwa Abagambi beti chief abokonye barasama egere ensemo embakasi Nairobi omoraibwense niga akwanire bitambakera serikali goche koirayo gotinyo borendi magega yoko egoro botula jukwa la usalama korasomo waziri w'oborendi bw'eme Kipchumba Murkomen.
You, the National Government Administration officers, particularly chiefs and assistant chiefs, stand at the center of this transformation. You are the bridge between the state and the public in the remotest parts of Kenya, in every village, the first responders when crisis strikes, and the daily visible face of government to millions of Kenyans across our nation. I have received, as the minister has said, the Jukwa la Usalama report, a document that captures the reality of millions of Kenyans in matters of security, governance, and community well-being. It reflects the concerns and equally the aspirations of our people, insights from local leaders and citizens, and clear recommendations to strengthen service delivery, public order, and public security. I commend the team at Interior, led by the Minister, for steering the Jukwa la Usalama consultations across the 47 counties and for ensuring that the voice of the citizens remains firmly.
Waziri w'oborendi bw'eme Kipchumba Murkomen nabo igo morikyo manene bwo wizara w'oborendi bw'eme Dr. Raymond Omolo boigo nigo bakwanire buya bokurwa amayegari ogochasa abagambi.
Excellency ni multipurpose na assistant chiefs ni multipurpose officers wa serikali. Wanatumika kwa kazi tofauti nyingi sana. Unajua kwamba walikusaidia kwa registration ya farmers, mambo ya doctors, mambo ya health, working with health promoters. Unajua kwamba hawa ma chiefs na assistant chiefs wanapambana na pombe na dawa ya kulevya mashinani. Hawa ndio wanasuluhisha shida yenye inawahusu wananchi mashinani. And I want to say without any fear of contradiction, these officers who are before us, Your Excellency, are the most trusted public servants in the entire Republic.
And this is a testament to the bottom-up economic transformation agenda in which you are focusing on the people at the grassroots. The chiefs and the chiefs here, representing the rest of their colleagues, sit at the heart of that transformation agenda in this administration that you lead, that they are able to support in the delivery of government services, but at the same time become the link between the citizens and your administration. And this training helps sharpening the human resource capacity that has been lacking across several cadres of government and agencies within the country. Mr. President, allow me in a
Inyora Jukwa la Usalama no morobero chage tugwana serikali aseganga yogo tinyo borendi wetere bikaro bye chingwana gati y'abananchi aba chief n'abakonyi babo nabega bafisa banene be serikali korase wizara y'oborendi bw'eme are nayo boigo nigo morobero yorenge tukorwanya mariyogo yogo tindia chisegi chegenka amono bwe byase amate Julia Obuba Ensoko TV.